The world is a curious place and so is the weather. A hot topic of conversation wherever you are. Our climate never ceases to surprise, delight and upset us. Here are the mind-blowing facts about the world's weather you probably don't know. Number 1. The United States has the most tornadoes. According to the US tornadoes, the United States experiences around 75% of the world's known tornadoes. That's an average of 1,253 tornadoes per year. Number 2. Wind is silent. If you imagine a windy day outside, you are probably thinking of whistling and swooshing sounds that increase with the speed of wind. In reality, wind is silent until it passes through or comes into contact with an object. It can be either friction, rolling or rubbing that causes these sounds, but it's always the object reacting to the wind that produces sounds rather than the wind itself. Number 3. There are 760 thunderstorms on Earth every year. There have been many attempts to calculate the number of thunderstorms happening on Earth. However, the data has always been inaccurate due to the complicated nature of gathering it. The number was finally calculated in 2011 thanks to more than 40 weather stations around the world that were equipped with machines able to detect electromagnetic pulses produced by strong lightning bolts. Curiously, the peak time for storm around the world is afternoon. Number 4. Raindrops are really fast. Although an estimation, most physicists agree that an average raindrop falls with a speed between 9 and 10 meters per second, which is an equivalent to 22 miles per hour. Number 5. The Mississippi River once froze over its entire length, setting temperature records that still stands to this day. Many American cities experienced the coldest ever temperature in 1899. When 4 consecutive days of extremely harsh winter conditions swept across North America. Known by many names including the Great Cold Wave and the Great Arctic Outbreak, February of that year was so cold, the Mississippi River froze over its entire length. Number 6. The longest lasting tropical cyclone went on for 31 days. August and September 1994 saw one of the most unique tropical cyclones ever experienced. Number 7. It almost never snows in Antarctica. You might be very surprised to hear this, but it almost never rains or snows in Antarctica. It's actually a desert and a particularly dry one at that. That's it in this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.